Whenever we have any upcoming holiday, the first thing comes in our mind, that is spending some quality time with sea waves. There is nothing more peaceful than the sound of the sea. Here we will discuss about some famous sea beaches in West Bengal. First, Digha. Digha is the most popular tourist destination in West Bengal. It is known as one of the widest beaches all over the world. The beach is equally beautiful and clean and arguably offers the most beautiful sunset view in all of West Bengal. Second, Mandarmoni. Located in the East Midnapur district of West Bengal. Mandarmoni beach is considered to be the longest motorable beach in India with a stretch of about 13 kilometers. In recent years, Mandarmoni have emerged as hotspot for hosting private parties because of its exotic beach resort. Third, Tajpur. Tajpur beach is a pristine, beautiful beach located on the shore of the Bay of Bengal. It is located in between Mandarmoni and Chandpur. Tajpur beach is the most recently discovered tourist destination of West Bengal that is becoming increasingly popular. Fourth, Junput. Junput beach is a perfect seaside destination for tourists who love holidaying in isolation. The natural beauty of the place draws nature lovers from far and wide to the destination. Fifth, Bokhali. Bokhali an island with a sea beach lining the Bay of Bengal. It is popular weekend destination for tourists. This beach is an ideal place to see beautiful sunsets and go on long walks. Sixth, Sagar Island. Sagardip is the place where sea and river merge. Sagardip, popularly known as Gangasagar, has many attractive places to visit. Kopil Muni Temple is one of them. Every year, thousands of people from different parts of the world come here to visit the place and take a holy dip in River Ganges. 7th, Fraserganj. Fraserganj Sea Beach is a popular tourist destination located in Fraserganj, a coastal village in the South 24 Parganas district of West Bengal. It is known for its beautiful sandy beach. Fraserganj is the ideal site for the bird watchers. This place is famous for a huge variety of migratory birds. 8. Henry's Island. Henry's Island is an island near Bokhali in South 24 Parganas of West Bengal. This island is home to millions of red crabs. This beach is very less crowded and calm. 9th, Udaipur Beach. Udaipur Sea Beach located on the Odisha-West Bengal border. You can plan a trip to Udaipur Beach while traveling to Digha and Mandarmoni. This beach is just 30 minutes away from New Digha towards Odisha. 10th, Shankarpur Beach. Shankarpur Beach is another beautiful beach is a virgin beach with a lovely view of the beach surrounded by local fishing boats and rows of casual trees, giving visitors the perfect Kodak moment. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe our